Hi, this is Michael Young with 2020 Employee Benefits in Exeter, and today we're going to discuss individual plans. Now, I know there's many of you that do not have insurance provided by your employer, and so in your case, you have to go and purchase it on your own. So today we're going to go over the 3 ways that you can purchase insurance. So we'll talk about the first one, and that would be Covered California. Now, Covered California has been around for a little while. That is the exchange here in California, and they get federal dollars that offset your premium, so it's subsidized insurance. That all passed with the ACA and Obamacare some years back, but that is the first place I would start. If you go to coveredca.com, you can use the calculator tool on the homepage and put in your age, zip code, and that's basically it. Any family members that you'll also be covering, or if you have family members that are not being covered, you still have to list whoever is on your tax return. It's all driven off your taxes. So you would run that quote and it will tell you what your costs will be with Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Health Net, or Kaiser, just depending on which market you're in. Now that is subsidized up to a level, and it has increased quite a bit with the American Recovery Act that happened just recently, about 2 months ago. And so you'll see the pricing. You can sign up directly on coveredcalifornia.com. Your information will be routed to the insurance company. And what will happen is behind the scenes, Covered California is going to cut some of the money to the insurance company and you just pay the difference. So that's how that works. So if you're a single person and you make under $65,000, you're probably going to see some sort of subsidy. If you're single and you make $100,000, you're on your own. And that's where we're going to talk about option number 2. And option number 2 would be the individual market where you purchase directly from the carrier. What we call that is off exchange. You're not going through the exchange for it. So you go directly to an agent. You can go directly to Blue Shield, Blue Cross, Kaiser, run the quote, and what you're going to see is the full price for that insurance. Keep in mind, it's not cheap. Health insurance has increased, and even though we have the ACA and Obamacare, costs have not really gone down. In fact, drug pricing has really fueled the price increases that we've seen the last 2-3 years. So you're able to look at those options. You're going to see PPO options, possibly an EPO option, which is like a PPO, but you cannot go out of network. If you do, you're on your own. And then Kaiser would be an HMO. Kaiser, you have the ability to use any Kaiser in California, but it has to be Kaiser. We're also going to talk about option number 3. Let's say you don't want to go that route. Maybe for a family of 4, it's $1,500 a month, which is not out of this world. It is expensive. We're going to look at Medi-Share. We're going to look at Samaritan's Purse, Liberty. These are sharing ministry plans. This is where you have an organization exempt from the ACA. They can offer whatever plan they want. It does not have to cover birth control. It does not have to cover certain medications. And in many cases, they can hold pre-existing conditions over you during the first year or 2 that you sign up. So you sign up for one of those plans, your family of 4 may be $600 or $700. But keep in mind, they don't have to follow the rules. So your colonoscopy that is completely free through Covered California or through an off-exchange product like Blue Shield or Blue Cross, through Medi-Share, you're on your own, which could be $2,000 to $2,500. So just keep that in mind, but it is a catastrophic program and you're basically signed up with millions of other people and you share claims together. That's how that works. So those are the 3 options that you have for insurance. I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout out at 559-592-3495 or our website, 2020employeebenefits.com. Have a fantastic day.